Jeremy, you run. Whoa! Oh, fuck!
That AP on my hand, see Terrell the go up fan. All these pussies got no motion.
Damn, you just gonna spit on this car and shit?
Hey,
Look, that's disrespectful.
right now. You know
Let's
they're
start there. Yeah, them some junkies, bro, for sure. Them some junkies for sure, bro. And I ain't even see these motherfuckers. Wanna know how I know? Cause look at all that shit around the yard, bro. Look at all that shit around the yard. Only junkies collecting shit like that. Keep it a million with you. Listen to your movie.
Jeremy, you run. Whoa!
Damn!
Oh, fuck!
Damn! What the Yo, bruh. That nigga just came out of nowhere and got the blinking. Do your homework at him blinking at the police. This nigga came out of nowhere with it, bro. Damn, that's why I say, y'all see why I say it's dangerous being a police officer, bro, right here. What the
Johnny, I'm hit.
Damn.
She's at the door and closed it.
Just knock both of their ass down, bro.
Hello, Sheriff's Office.
Hey, she's getting some water right now. He's
Y'all
over there hiding by
bomb at his
the pool.
stupid ass.
By the pool.
That
Where's the
nigga
pool?
tweet. That nigga tweet, bro.
Jeremy, you run from. Whoa!
Damn.
Oh, fuck!
Just keep blinking at their ass, bro. Do your homework and him playing GTA with the police right now. This motherfucker's real life playing GTA with the police. Do your homework. This like his third officer he done knocked down. Come on, bro. Come on, G. That nigga gotta have a rifle or something, bro. Cause he just straight knocking y'all ass down, bro. Bro, this is the worst police department ever, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, G. Cause what y'all supposed to have the big boys out? Like, where y'all ARPs at and shit? Like, where y'all rifles at and shit? Like, y'all, yeah, bro.
County, give me some units out here.
I'm hit.
Damn, he done knocked down 3 officers, bro.
Where you hit, Nero? Where you hit? You see him?
County 350, will you put on all traffic? County, 96-2.
Start cut through units if you have them, and medical.
Damn. And he's still active, bro. What's up with you motherfuckers blinking at the police? What's up with y'all, bro? Like, what is y'all problem? That's a no-no. Do your homework on crazy, bro. These motherfuckers out here is crazy, bro. Bro, you only firing off one shot, 2 shots. Come on, bro.
He's still up moving.
nigga got a rifle and shit, bruh.
Which way is he moving?
He's down on the ground, still where you were at with the rifle.
Yeah, you motherfuckers crazy, bruh.
Big tree with the V in it. Get better look.
I ain't gonna lie, now this a crazy one. Out of all my videos I done did, this one is crazy. I'm keeping it mean with y'all. Listen to your boy. This motherfucker knocked down 3 officers, bruh.
You okay, Nero? Talk to me.
Y'all gotta start carrying bombs with y'all, grenades,
Yeah,
something,
big running.
bruh.
I don't. Do you guys?
That's why I
No,
say
I
make me
don't.
president, bro. Cause what the hell, bro? What is this?
What's his first name again?
Jeremy?
County 107, 204 90.
Stop at 90s County for right now.
Brian, what's your injury?
We both have facial.
That is just crazy.
Okay, can you still see?
Like, what the fuck are we watching, bro? What am I watching?
No, I can't.
Seriously, bro.
Okay, where can we get you to cover? Are you in cover? There's no cover back here.
Can you cover me? Get behind the car. Come on back.
Woo-wee. Get serious again, folks. Get serious
I
again.
can't see him. I don't know if he's moved or not after I shot.
This is crazy
Want the
work,
fastest
bro.
working
Ain't no
GLP-1
motherfucking way, G.
for half the price? Roe now offers
After I shot
This
him.
why I say don't become a police officer, bro. Like, don't, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you're not built for this shit, like, cause this will come with it. Like, you gotta do all of this shit, bro. And if you're not built for it, you don't need to be in that shit. I'm telling you. This nigga shaking that shit. What the fuck?
Jordan, can you see anything from where
This
you're
nigga
at?
real life scared, bro. Now y'all wanna pull out the ARP rifles and shit. Now y'all wanna pull out the rifles and shit. Come on, bro.
Jeremy!
This is crazy work.
Jordan, can you see 107 and 204?
Two 102, we're good.
What's up, babe? I'm doing my video, okay?
Cover behind 107 G.
Alright.
G14's in route.
Jeremy! 204, could you guys tell once I hit him?
Yeah, man. This is crazy work to snipe his ass, bruh.
We have 224 and EM en route with the drone.
Okay. Jordan, do you have your radio?
We're both behind cover.
Okay. Is his last known location still behind the pool where I think I shot him?
Best I know.
That shit crazy. This motherfucker
Okay.
knocked down 3 officers.
Because I haven't seen him move anywhere. I know he fired one more time, but since then I haven't seen movement. And I do not have eyes on him.
Big County 97 in there.
Yeah, that's
Clear.
them type of motherfuckers keep them locked up in a mental institution, bruh. I'm gonna keep saying it, keep them locked up. Crazy ass motherfuckers, bruh.
Chief 14102.
Go ahead.
You have a team of U.S. Marshals headed your way. They were in Yelford at the time.
Okay.
Damn, they didn't have to get, bro, it's that motherfucking shit. Nigga, they didn't have to get the U.S. Marshals involved, bruh. They had to get the U.S. Marshals involved, bruh. Yeah, that's how you know it's cracking, bruh.
See if you can get 107 and 204 out.
Hey, 102, how do I need to come in?
You can go ahead and come in off of Terrell, but come to the east where my unit is.
Okay, I'm not far out.
Come on, bruh. That's crazy work. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all give me y'all thoughts on this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, like I said, keep them locked up. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could see that it's something wrong with them. They got mental health issues. So, with that being said, till next time, y'all subscribe to my second channel. It's called Yo Terrell Reacting Again. Fire-ass content being produced over there. You don't disappoint, man. Like I said, I'm taking over with this content shit. Y'all subscribe to my third channel, Terrell be Hotboxing. Basically, I'll be doing weed reviews, recommending certain items to y'all that I fuck with. And if I don't rock with it, I'll tell y'all not to buy it. It's just that simple, man. But I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all the next one. I'm out.